Hello, you all. What is good, sneaker family? It is your boy, SB Mitch.
Hey, thanks for tuning in. If you want to give me a follow on social media, if you want to subscribe, if you want to, that's pretty much the only options you can do. You can like or dislike the video too. You can, apparently there's a notification bell. I don't know, whatever. Do whatever you feel like doing because it doesn't really matter in the end. Hello, pals. Today we're taking a look at probably the most fun collaboration of the year, which it's no surprise that it came from Vans. We're looking at the Vans Old Skool Simpsons collaboration on MOE'S Tavern. This is just such a cool shoe. You can see there's Homer and Barney, and on the other shoe you got Lenny, Carl, and Moe. On the lateral side, medial side just has this really nice pink Vans line that you usually have. On the heel you got MOE'S and the Vans off the wall branding. Got a nice gum outsole, white midsole. It's got this green along the midsole, and it's this nice, actually really nice suede on the vamp, which I was kind of shocked about, and on the eyelets too. It's really nice checkerboard throughout the entire side paneling and on the tongue. The laces are, I don't even know what color this would be, but it's the laces that you would expect a Simpsons collaboration to have the color of. You got Simpsons Vans branding on the insole too. I mean, it's a Vans, guys. These things are tanks. You can beat them up and they'll still look good. So let's take a closer look at them right now. These are so cool. These are pretty widely available. I got mine on Journeys. I'm sure you can go to the Vans website and buy, you could buy probably these or any of the other like tons of things that they released. They released like slides, other sneakers, clothing, even like accessories. So one of the coolest, that's what I'm looking for, capsules, there you go, of the year in my opinion. And it's no surprise because Vans always does really nice collaborations. They're not fancy, there's no frills, it's just a really well done, fun, kind of hilarious collaboration in my opinion. So yeah, as with any Vans Old Skool, it's true to size. I mean, they might feel a little bit loose just because they're, you know, Vans isn't huge on tech, but they've been doing this for years, and if it ain't broke, don't fix it, in my opinion. Retail on these was $75, I want to say, but I don't know if there's any resale value on any of these, but such a cool collaboration in my opinion. I am a huge fan of these, so I will definitely be wearing these. This will be my second Vans in my collection, so I'm still just kind of taken aback by how nice this suede on the vamp is. Vans, great job on these. Very cool. I would imagine if they made these with like comfy cush, this would be just out of this world. So probably one of the better collaborations of the year. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I appreciate it. I know it's a Vans. I know it's nothing fancy, but this is something I really like. And I figure if you want to check them out, you're more than welcome to as well. So have a great rest of your day. Check out the Vans Simpsons capsule if you really want. And thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Take care of each other. Remember to make it fun because sneakers are supposed to be fun, and this is fun. This is what sneakers are supposed to be. Bye!